Hi guys, it's another day of cooking. I'll be cooking. I haven't eaten this before. This is crayfish flavored noodles. It's available in Nigeria. And as Igbos, I'm Igbo. I'm from Igbo tribe in Nigeria. So as Igbos, we really like crayfish. So I'm going to see if I'll be pleased with this. I'm coming back. So I'm done cooking it and let's try it. The noodles is looking good. It's shining as if I put oil, but I didn't. I didn't add anything except with the spice, except the spices it came with. And yeah, it's looking. I mean, although the color is not that wonderful, but it's not bad. So let's taste moments of truth. This is quite hot. Let me get more. I hope it meets my expectations. Oh yeah, it has some pepper, like it's spicy a little bit, although the salt level is not that high, which is healthy. So I give it 8/10. It's not bad. Yeah, I didn't add anything to this. No onion, no oil, nothing. So I'm impressed. See the flakes of the crayfish. Bye. Thank you.